I'd like to welcome everyone to EXP!
One thing you'll note is even though we have a down market, which we have for the last little bit, we still have been profitable as a company. We have the infrastructure to basically weather any storm. We're building this each and every day with the idea of how do we make it better for agents.
Sold out crowd, I put in the work, I ain't breaking a sweat, I'm coming in first.
89,000 lives changed across 24 countries. We have so many of our country leaders here, and every single day from day one here, I heard it at EXP changed my life. And looking around all these people, it is so true to see.
And man, I'm just telling you, I'm just motivated. I am just motivated. For more money, no, for you guys to make it. I want you to make it. It inspires me. I can walk the beaches, I can play golf, I can do whatever I want. And you know what? What's meaningful is you guys. And your goals, your dreams, your aspirations. It inspires me.
I got news for you. We have momentum nobody else has, my friends. I don't want this room to be this small ever again. Ever again.